Hey travel enthusiasts, buckle up as we're about to embark on a high-flying adventure right from Sri Lankan airport. Sri Lanka's breathtaking coastline and lush landscapes unfold below us. This is why we love to fly. Every flight offers a new perspective on our beautiful planet. We're rolling down the runway, the world blurring by. Hold your breath as we race towards the sky. It's almost showtime. Watch as we burst into the air, breaking free from the ground and ascending into the clouds. Thanks for soaring with us. Hit that like button